clap. That was awesome. Oh, and I thank you. I thank you for the entertainment, man. Jimmy, let's go, man. Hey, buddy, I don't want to harsh your vibe, man, but
Eureka!
I'm gonna be honest with you. Really pushing my buttons now, Jimmy. Driving me crazy, man. That's enough. You want me to write your name on the board?
Hold on.
Okay, Jimmy, do you want me to call Principal Martell? That would not be bitching, would it? Okay. You know what, Jimmy? You know what? Why don't you come up and teach the class, man? Wouldn't that be awesome?
What?
Yeah, come on up. And then you know what I'm gonna do, Jimmy? I'll just sit here. How about that, Jimmy? And then we can all watch how you're being disruptive. Oh, I see. That's supposed to be me. Right. All right, Jimmy. Okay, I see that. I get it's supposed to be me. It's time to be done, Jimmy. Don't you dare, Jimmy. What is... Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Well, this is you, Jenny. I'm you, Jimmy. I'm Jimmy. How about that, Jimmy? Huh? Oh, I'm gonna slap 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Huh? How about that, huh? That's you, Jimmy. I'm Jimmy. And I need attention. Yeah, I'm Jimmy. Oh, look at here. I'm gonna baby movie. That's the funniest thing that ever happened in the whole world. I'm Jimmy. I want attention. Wiggy, 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 wiggy. I'm Jimmy. Wiggy, me.
Mr. Flyer!
Principal Martell. No, what? No, it was Jimmy. It was Jimmy, Principal Martell. No, Jimmy.
What? No, it was Jimmy!
It was Jimmy. It was Jimmy.